Hello to all of you. Myself, Meghna Sharma, will be teaching Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable. Today, our topic is Equations reducible to the linear form. Let us do exercise 2.6 of NCERT few questions. Question number 1 is solve the following. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. First we will write 8x upon 3x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. 8x upon 3x, when we cut it x with the x, it will become 8 upon 3, and minus 3 upon 3x, it will become 1 upon x, that is equals to 2. Now 8 upon 3 minus 1 upon x is equals to 2 will come. Now we will see the constant and the variable term. Constant terms will be on the left hand side. We will transpose and transpose variable term on the right hand side. So 8 upon 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 upon x. So 1 and 3 are the denominators in the left hand side. We will take the LCM of it. 3 is the LCM of 1 and 3. 3 will cancel with the 3, it will become 1. 3 divided by 3, it will become 1. So 8 ones are 8 and 2 upon 1. When 3 is divided by 1, it will become 3. 2 threes are 6. So 8 minus 6 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon x. That means 2 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon x. We can reciprocal both hands. So x is equals to 3 upon 2. Next question, z upon z plus 15 is equals to 4 upon 9. So we will cross multiply it. That will become 9z is equals to 4 into z plus 15. Now again we can multiply it 4 with the bracket, that is 9z is equals to 4z plus 4 into 15 is equals to 60. So it will become 4z plus 60. Now variable terms on the one hand and the constant terms on the right hand. 9z minus 4z is equals to 60. 5z is equals to 60. Now z is equals to 60 upon 5. Now 5 ones are 5 12s are 60. The value of the variable z is equals to 12. Now the next question is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. So what we will do? We will do again the cross multiplication method. 3 is multiplying by 7y plus 4 is equals to 4 is multiplied by y plus 2. The whole bracket is multiplied by 3. So 3 into 7y, that is 21y, plus 3 4s are 12. So on the left hand side 21y plus 12 is equals to, now on the right hand side minus 4 is multiplied with the whole bracket y plus 2. It will become minus 4y minus 8, because minus and plus when we are multiplying it will become minus, and 4 2s are 8. Now again we are using the transposition method through variables on the one hand and the constant on the other hand. 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 minus 12. 25y is equals to minus 20, because minus minus will become plus and the sign will be considered one the bigger one. So minus 20 will be on the right hand side. So y, value of y will be minus 20 upon 25. Now we will reducible to the lowest term. So we can cut it with the 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. The answer is minus 4 upon 5. Now the next question is, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. In this question they said the age of Hari will be 5x. let the age of the Hari will be 5x and Harry age will be the 7x. 4 years from now means from now, after 4 years, the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. So after 4 years, what we will do? We have to let the age of Hari will be 5x and Harry will be 7x. 4 years later means after 4 years, age of Hari will be 5x plus 4 and Harry age will be 5x plus 4. And the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. Find their present ages. So we have to find their present ages. So what we, according to the question, 5x plus 4 upon, because it is given in the ratio, that's why we are writing in a fraction form. 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equals to 3/4, because in the question they have written 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be, we will put the equality sign, is equals to 3/4. Now what we will do, we will do the cross multiplying. 4 is multiplied by the whole bracket 5x plus 4, that is equals to, now 3 is multiplied with the 7x plus 4. Now 4 is multiplied with the whole bracket 5x plus 4, 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16. On the right hand side, 3 is multiplied with the whole bracket, 3 7s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. Now 20x plus 16 is equals to 21x plus 12. Now we will write constant terms on the one hand and the variable terms on the left hand. So 21x minus 20x is equals to 16 minus 12. The value of x will be 4. Now the variable value comes, but the Hari age will be 5x. So we will find the value of 5x, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 years. It means the present age of Hari will be 20 years and the present age of Harry will be 7x, that is 7 4s are 28 years. Next, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. In the question, again I am reading for you, the denominator of a rational number, it means denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So we will let the numerator be x. We will let the numerator be x according to the question, because they said denominator of a rational number is greater than by its numerator by 8. So denominator will become x plus 8. Now after that, if the numerator is increased by 17, what is our numerator? That is x. So what we will do, new numerator will be x plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1 and the new denominator will be, first one is x plus 8. Now it is decreased by 1. Decrease means minus, x plus 8 minus 1. It means x, that is equals to x plus 7, because plus 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. New denominator will become x plus 7. The number obtained is, after that whatever the number obtained, that is 3/2. We have to find the rational number. So the new rational number will be x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equals to 3/2. Now after this step we have to do a cross multiplying. 2 is multiplied with the x plus 17 and 3 is multiplied with the x plus 7. Now 2 is multiplied with the whole bracket x plus 17 and 3 is multiplied with the whole bracket x plus 7. 2x plus 2 into 17, that is equals to 34. On the right hand side, 3 is multiplied with the whole bracket, 3 into x will be 3x and 3 is multiplied by 7, that is equals to 21. So 2x plus 34 is equals to 3x plus 21. Now 34 minus 21 is equals to 3x minus 2x. Now what again we will do? Variables on one hand and the constants will be on one hand. So that's why we are doing transposing, and in a transposing we will do sign change also that we have done in the previous slides and previous classes also. Now the value of x will be 13. Now x is the numerator, so the numerator will be 13 and the denominator is x plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is equals to 21. So our new rational number will be 13 upon 21. Thank you all of you. I hope you all will enjoy this video and understand this video very nicely.